Karong gabi ha. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. To the Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City, Honorable Zhao Shuzhen, the Davao City Filipino-Chinese community, fellow government workers, members of the academe, representatives from the private sector, and guests. If you do not know, kibaw ba mo kaniadtong panahon, we have been trading with China pre-colonial Philippines. So kaniadtong panahon diya sa Zamboanga naanay trade between China ug ang mga karaang tribo diha, mga Tausog manang kasagaran diha sa Zamboanga. Naanatay exchanges of culture, exchanges of whatever tanan of people. But hantod karon na agihapon. But you have never seen the Chinese people attempt to colonize ang Pilipinas. And I'm sure it will stay the same way hantod karon and for years to come. So, kanimanggong narrative that is being pushed, I do not know by whom, but I do not want to specifically point out kung kinsa man gyud diha. Well, they are in government. The current ambassador towards the Philippines. So I hope my wishes would be it would calm down. And as far as I can remember, it is a gift to former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his term. Regalo ni sa China siyang birthday ko, no? That is how they packaged it. But ultimately, it is for the Davaoenos. So, swerte ta nga tagaan ta, kinanglan mapasalamaton ta. And we have to remember that China is a friend. They are neighbors. Dili na to gustog silingan nga kaaway nimo. Kaya ang silingan, duol kay na sa imuha. Kamo, ganahan ba mo nga inyong silingan, kalaban ninyo, paggawas ninyo, magnilibakay mo, sige mag-away. Mo nang di na to gusto. And in fact, we benefit from China in terms of our economy. Daga mga barato, mga palitonon, kana inyong mga cellphone nga gina picture diha sa kuha. Diha, kung dili na made in China, ambot kong asa. Pero kinang lanta makasabot na China has grown exponentially in the past 20 years. And I am sure that they are willing to share this growth and prosperity with the Philippines for years to come. So, mas maayo, mas daghan tag-amigo kaysa mas daghan tag-kaaway. Ngunang importante kayo para kanaton tanan. So, nalipay ko, well, diri sa Davao, assimilated namang gyud ang Chinese ug mga Davaoenyo pati ang mga tribo. Panahon bitaw sa Kadayawan, aron ng Davao, naapon na sila diha, mga Chinese na ang mga tribo. Ang mga migrants kaniadtong panahon, kitang mga Bisaya, mga Bulanon, daghan kayo, napoy mga Ilocano, Ilonggo. So kaning Davao is a melting pot of different cultures. So again, akong ingnon, we have strength in our diversity. Mao kini nagapakusog sa toa kaysa lahi-lahi na to mga kultura o kagikan, diha ta mokuha og kusog. Basta ang importante kay ang pagkahiusa og tinabangay. Maunang karon, ang ganahan kay na kong gibalik-balik, bago ra na human ang eleksyon, medyo opposition ta sa administrasyon karon, ginakalaban ta nila, pero asa man tagaron, naalang gihapon ta, Dabawenyo, gabarog lang gihapon ta, o wa ta nila matumba. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, we extend our utmost gratitude to the People's Republic of China for making the bridge possible. Bukana Bridge serves as a vital part of the Davao City Coastal Road Network and the city government's goal towards modernization and infrastructure development. It stands as a monumental reminder and a symbol of the friendship between China and Davao City. Thank you. Daghang salamat. This 2026, we welcome the year of the fire horse. Like its dynamic and high energy attributes, we too must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing our goals and aspirations for the year. May this new year fill us with hope and abundance as we continue to build stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So mga Dabawenyo, kayod lang, sagulan ako gamay politika, ang tanan ninyong gipili, kantong niaging eleksyon, kay ang hugpong sa tawong lungsod, kayod lang ta, tagaan munamo o gobyerno, nga ampingan inyong kwarta o makita ninyo nga mauli sa inyo. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, Kong Hei Fat Choi, God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte.